Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have two things in store for you. Another brow cover video, not as in depth, and then this bonus makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep on watching. So I started off with a clean face, and I just want to apologize for my background. It is whatever it is. So I washed my face, and then I took some Garnier Skin Active Pure Active Micellar Cleaning Water on a bud thingy. And I just doused it and started cleaning my face and danced a bit, as one does when music is playing in the background. Yeah, I am a picker. I pick my face. So that's what I pointed out. Ew, gross. And dance a bit more. Okay, so we're taking Mastix again, just like last week, and Prit. So I just wanted to do another test, like I told you guys in last week's video. I think a bit more concealing would work. And then I'm just gonna do the tail bit. So I decided to switch the sides. Last time I did it the other way around, Prit on the other side and Mastix on this side, but this time I decided to do it that way. I'm not really going to go in depth and explain to you guys what exactly I'm doing here, because I did it last week. Then I'm just taking my Johnson's baby wipes again to clean everything off as I go along. There was a glitch in the system. Okay, so that side is then the Mastix side, which I'm just generously covering that up again, and I'm rolling it out, and I'm just showing you that I'm going to use that side, and then I just roll it out as I did in last week's video. Cleaning. So we're going for the second layer. I also did 5 layers again, so that's what you want to do. If you guys are interested in seeing like in depth, if this is the first video that you're watching of me, I have a video out already where I go in depth on how to do this. This is just like really simple vibes. Oh yeah, you need Mastix remover for that. I found my Mastix remover actually. It was in my cupboard all along. So I'm just taking my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder and the little buffy thing, feeling if my things are dry already. And then I'm just applying a lot of pressure, pressing the powder into my eyebrows. And just brushing away the excess, of course, as one does. Every time. I was so full of powder, gross. Then I'm just taking the Essence All Matte, and I'm also putting that on just for kind of to get it to go white. I don't know. Yeah. So this time I actually tried the orange one. And I must say, don't like the result it gave. It did color correct fine, but it was so hard to cover up the orange. It was so hard. So I'm just taking the Wet n Wild Cruelty Free Concealer. Sorry, there was another glitch again. But yeah, here I'm trying to, as soon as you go over it with the brush, it just takes everything off, and then it's just like orange. So I'm just taking my Insta Blur, priming my face. And that, yeah. And then the HD liquid coverage from Catrice. Don't like it, as you guys know if you are a regular watcher. Don't like it. I don't know, it just doesn't look nice on the skin to me, but it is full coverage, so that's why I used it. And I applied it with my brush that I reviewed. Then the Catrice liquid camouflage under the eyeballs for highlighting and concealing. Not that I have really much anything to conceal, but yeah. And then I just set it with powder, and now I'm going in with powder with a black eyeshadow and drawing on my eyebrow. Because I use, like I said, I use powder because it doesn't disrupt the product underneath. And then I'm going in with my Gypsy Queen palette, and I am currently deciding what colors to use. So I'm going to take Fortune and Moonlight. Fortune and Moonlight, Fortune, Moonlight. So I'm going in with Fortune first, and I'm just drawing eyes, kind of that 60s eye look. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. And then it just took a bit of Moonlight and just focused on the outer corner, and now I'm just taking some concealer and cutting a crease. I'm taking my Body Shop gel thing. I don't really know what it is. Yeah, and I drew a wing. I am actually very upset about that wing because I didn't really like it in the end. Yeah, and there I'm just like taking another eyeliner, a blue one, and making dots under my eyes. Taking my Lights of Orient Essence bronzer and cutting out that jawbone. That jawbone? No, that cheekbone. And then I'm taking my Maybelline blush, and this is the final look. I put some lipstick on. Didn't love the lipstick at all. The hair, I don't know what that was, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.